Long ago, in a peaceful kingdom, King Arjun and Queen Madhuri ruled. Both of them were very kind to their subjects and were devoted to justice. No one went hungry in their kingdom, and even if there was an injustice, justice was served quickly. One day, a rich merchant came to the kingdom and complained that all his gold had been stolen. The king sent all the detectives in the kingdom to solve the mystery of the theft, but no one could find the thief. Then Queen Madhuri came up with a clever idea. She said, "In the big temple of the kingdom, everyone should be given a stick. Announce that this stick is magical. If the thief takes it, his stick will grow 1 inch in one night." All the subjects of the kingdom were given sticks. Those who did not steal fearlessly took the stick and returned home. But the thief got scared at night and cut the stick 1 inch short so that his stick would not grow bigger. The next day, everyone came to the royal court with sticks. The queen measured all the sticks one by one and saw that one person's stick was shorter. He was immediately identified as a thief. Due to the wisdom and judgment of the king and queen, peace returned to the kingdom. The thief got his punishment, and the subjects praised the king and queen. The lesson we learned from this story is that any problem can be solved through wisdom and justice. The qualities of proper leadership bring peace and prosperity to the kingdom. Real victory is possible only through wisdom and honesty. If you liked the video, share it with your friends and stay by my side to get such videos. Subscribe so that you get the next video first.